Class 7 chemistry, we will start with the compound. There is a chemical substance formed when two or more atoms or different elements combine chemically in a fixed proportion is called compound. Compound is made up of molecules of same kind. Like water contains only one kind of molecules, so that is water molecules. If we see that hydrogen and oxygen are present there. So if we see the characteristics, compound are pure substances formed when two or more atoms of different elements combine together chemically in a fixed proportion. The properties of compound are always different from the properties of the constituent element. Compound exhibit their own physical and chemical properties, and compound can be separated into their individual component by chemical methods. These are the different way. And now if we see the formation of compound, then actually two different combinations would be there. One is actually called the chemical bond, that is electrovalent bond, and one is covalent bond. Here we will see the ionic bond or electrovalent bond, a chemical bond formed by the transfer of electron from one atom to another atom. That is called the ionic bond. Ionic bond is also known as electrovalent bond. So because the compound obtained due to the formation of ionic bonds are called ionic or electrovalent bond. If we see the formation of sodium, then sodium is with atomic number 11, that is electronic configuration 281, whereas in case of chlorine that is 287. So sodium will give one electron to chlorine, and chlorine will take that electron and formed as Na plus and Cl minus, and they combine together to form the NaCl. So now if we see the how we can represent the compound is in other words that symbolical representation of composition of chemical compound, that is chemical formula. Chemical formula means if carbon dioxide, then carbon oxygen it should be there, then carbon dioxide, and then if hydrogen oxygen combine to form water, that is H2O. That is the way by which we can see the formation. How we can write the formula? Here we will see that calcium chloride, that calcium is with valency 2, chlorine with valency 1. Then in exchange of their valencies, that is Cl2, that is the Cl1, it will be go into the Ca position, and also the calcium with valency 2, that will go to the chlorine, that is CaCl2. Whereas in case of magnesium oxide, then MgO also 2 and oxygen also 2. That means combination, if we see that exchange of valency, that is MgO, magnesium oxide. We will see in picture also. Both the side here 2, both are common factor. They divide by valencies by common factor here 2. So the formula will be MgO, magnesium oxide. In case of formula of sulfide, if we see that is sodium sulfide, there is sodium with valency 1 and sulfide with valency 2. Then exchange of valencies means sodium Na2 plus Na2 and S will be there. That means Na2S. That is the chemical formula of sodium sulfide. If you see the significance of chemical formula, then chemical name of the compound, also the element present in the compound, the number of each element present in one molecule of the compound, and the chemical formula represent one molecule of the compound. So these are the way by which we can see the significance of the chemical formula. Here we will see also different constituent compounds should be there. Here we will see the picture that how we can make the compound, and also you have to remember that exchange of valency we have to keep in mind, because the exchange of valency always gives the a particular chemical compound in a particular compound. If we see, then exchange of these valencies actually give the total amount of molecule of a compound. So today up to that.